Hi Divas, I'm Andrea. Welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. So this is a new YouTube channel for me. I actually have another YouTube channel, Breastfeeding Confidential, where I talk about all things breastfeeding. I'm a lactation consultant, but this is going to be a channel where I talk about mostly fashion and how to dress your best, and also, I'll throw in some beauty products, and I'm starting intermittent fasting, so I'll talk about that. But I am going to do my very first Fab Fit Fun unboxing. So, a little background about this. I have never done a FabFitFun subscription, but I've thought about it for a long time. And I told my daughter that I was thinking about it, and then about a month later, right before Mother's Day, I said, I think I'm going to give myself FabFitFun subscription for Mother's Day. And she said, oh, I have a really good code from a friend of mine. Let me give it to you. And it was taking her forever to get it to me. Now I have 3 kids. I'm married. Today is my 41st anniversary, and I have 3 adult children, Nicholas, Susie, and Patrick. So she kept stalling about giving me the code. She kept saying that her friend hadn't gotten it for her yet, and turned out that my wonderful 3 children had gotten me the FabFitFun subscription for a year for Mother's Day. So they told me about it on Mother's Day, and I was that close to ordering it. I said, I'm tired of waiting. I want to subscribe. I want to get this soon. So I just got it today, and I'm going to unbox it with all of you. I'm super excited. So grab yourself a glass of wine, glass of iced tea, glass of whatever. I'm a red wine kind of girl, so I'm going to sip on this while I'm opening my box. All right. So this is how it came. Got my trusty scissors here. I've been watching tons of unboxings, so I do know some of the things that are in here. It's got some. This box, let's see, there are things that are out of the box, so let me show you. There's the FabFitFun box, and then there's some other things in there. This is the FabFitFun. Let's see what else is in here. I do know that they got me some add-ons. So the 3 of them picked the things out. So this is, let's see. Yeah, the light is coming in. It's the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens intense hydration. I live in Colorado and it is dry here, so this is going to be put to good use. Let's open it up, see what it smells like. It has a nice smell. So we are going to be going out to dinner. Oh, a little bit of it came out when I did that. So I'm going to get some tissues to clean that up. I'm back. All right, and then we've got the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. So, let's see. I've got a reflection coming in from the window, so I hope you can see these things. And I think my daughter said that my oldest son really wanted to get this for me. So it doesn't have a lot of scent, which is good. And like I said, I live in Colorado, so moisturizers are a good idea. All right. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so much fun. It's like Christmas. Okay. And then this is the Mason Home Scent Collection Solstice Diffuser. this too. Okay. I'm excited about this. So it comes with a bottle. I'm going to open that, see what that smells like. So super pretty. In fact, that would look really pretty there, wouldn't it? And then these, you put those in there. And let's see, let's open this, see what this smells like. It's not florally or fruity. It's kind of spicy. It's nice. It's nice. I'm excited to set that up. All right, so time for the box. And another need for the scissors because it's sealed. Isn't that pretty blue? And it's got this magazine in there, and that talks about all the different things that you can get. So I'll be taking a look at that. It's also got some coupons in here, Bright Cellars, wine, and Green Chef, which I've done before. And speaking of wine, this is a Pinot Noir. It's one of my favorite Pinot Noirs. Okay. So this is what it looks like underneath. It's got a little sticker and got some tissue paper, and it's got this stuff all over the place. Oh, there's so many things. I'm so excited. Okay. So this is Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Hydronutrient Facial Oil. So that's another thing that will help my poor, dry Colorado skin. Let's see. So that's... I gotta figure out what to do about that reflection. That's really nice. Oh, it's another kind of a... I'm trying to think. It reminds me of curry, to tell you the truth. The smell reminds me of curry. All right. And then we have Spongel hand cream. I think if I angle it down like that, I get less of a reflection. Spongel, this is coconut verbena. And there's a little foil on it. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to have all these different smelling things on me. And that is hand cream. And ooh, that smells really good. I like that. That is yummy smelling. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. All right, so this is black eye mask. Now, the old eyes are getting tired, so an eye mask is a great idea. And this is the the Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, I do my brows. I use, I think it's Urban Decay Give Me Brow, so I will be interested to try this. Because I am always up for trying something different, because that's when you find wonderful things. Lashes MD, so that's a eyelash eyebrow conditioner, and I use one, so that's going to come in handy. I have pretty decent lashes. All right, so this is Beach Mist, Botanical After Sun Spray. I do go to the beach whenever I can. Haven't been in a while because we are in the middle of a pandemic, so I was supposed to go to Mexico in April, and our trip got canceled. But that doesn't mean I can't use it even when I don't go to the beach. So, Beach Mist, let's see. Nice smell. And I guess that's just for spritzing on when you've been at the beach or when you just want to refresh. Okay. Foot cream. Sicilian Blood Oranges by Tarocco. Let's see. Still getting that. Boy, I will tell you, everything is sealed up. You need to have your scissors close by when you open a Fab Fit Fun box. All right. Ooh, that has a really nice smell too. Foot cream for my dry Colorado feet. And then, let's see, this looks like two more things. Black mask. Looks like it's a face mask. I love face masks, so I can't wait to try that. So FabFitFun, you can get it, it's a seasonal box, and you can get it just whenever you want, or, oh wow, whenever you want, or you can get an annual subscription. If you get an annual subscription, then I think you get a little bit more choices in terms of the things that you can choose. There are certain things that they'll give you options and you can choose them, and then they also send you things that are a surprise. So this is Terramare Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. And let's take that out. All right, let's smell this. That smells good too. So I really am excited about everything. It's almost all beauty products. So FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. Let me make sure that I got everything. It is a lifestyle box. So they can send you things like jewelry and things for your home, clothing, purses. There are a lot of different options. So I think my kids must have thought that I should have all these beauty products and skincare. I'm super excited to try them because I do like that kind of thing. The other thing is they say that you will get $200 worth of items. So let's see how much the different things are worth. So this is by Pottery Barn, and that's $59. The lashes stuff, that's $70. And oh my goodness, this is $120. Wow. That's impressive. That's exciting. This is a peel-off mask, and that was $59. the Kate Somerville, that's down on the floor. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream is $65. The Beach Mist was $42. The, let's see, that Coconut Verbena Hand Cream, that was $18. The Universal Eyebrow Pencil was $16. I feel like, oh, I guess so these two were a set, and that was $59 for the two of them. I think that's everything. So definitely seems like it was a good value for all the wonderful things I got, and I'm so excited to try them. And I'm also going to be doing a trunk club unboxing, my very first trunk club. So check in for that. And thanks for joining me. And until next time, Divas.